Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're checking out the Makita XLC07Z 18-volt LXT Lithium-Ion Handheld Canister Vacuum. This handheld canister vacuum packs a punch in terms of performance and convenience, delivering a level of versatility that could easily make it a go-to for your cleaning needs. But does it live up to the expectations? Let's see. The Makita XLC07Z is a lightweight vacuum, weighing only 4 pounds when the battery is installed. This makes it incredibly easy to handle, reducing operator fatigue, especially for longer cleaning sessions. The lightweight design means it's an excellent option if you're looking for something portable and less cumbersome than traditional vacuums. However, keep in mind that the battery is sold separately, so that's an additional cost if you don't already have one from another Makita tool. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its powerful motor, delivering 49 CFM, cubic feet per minute. This suction power makes it suitable for a variety of materials, from fine dust on hardwood floors to heavier debris on carpets. The motor is strong enough to handle messes around the house, though it's more suitable for quick cleanups and smaller areas compared to full-on carpet cleaning jobs that require deep suction. The vacuum features 3-speed settings along with an off button, offering flexibility for different tasks. Whether you're cleaning light dust or needing more power for embedded dirt, this feature allows you to adjust the suction based on your needs. The control is straightforward and simple to use, without any confusing switches or complicated settings. Another practical aspect is the integrated LED battery charge level indicator. This gives you a real-time update on how much battery life is left, so you're never caught off guard with a dead battery in the middle of a cleaning job. And if you're concerned about runtime, the Makita XLC07Z does well here too. With the included BL1820B 8-volt LXT Lithium-Ion Compact 2.0 Ah battery, you'll get up to 50% more runtime compared to the older BL1815 model. It also reaches a full charge in about 25 minutes, making it convenient for quick turnarounds if you're tackling multiple areas in one go. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Makita XLC07Z works effectively across a variety of surfaces, from bare floors to low-pile carpet. However, keep in mind that this is not designed for heavy-duty carpet cleaning. It's more of a quick-use vacuum, ideal for daily debris pickup or smaller messes. The compact design does make it easier to navigate under furniture or in tight spaces. It might struggle with larger debris like cereal or large dust bunnies on thick rugs, but for standard debris, it performs fairly well. Moving into the usability, the vacuum's overall design is quite intuitive. It's easy to assemble and quick to get started with. No complex attachments to mess with, just the basic tools that get the job done. That said, the dustbin is relatively small, so you might need to empty it more frequently depending on how much you're cleaning, especially if you have larger areas to vacuum. In terms of noise, the Makita XLC07Z is quieter than most full-sized vacuums, though it's still noticeable. It's not silent by any means, but it's far from the high-pitched roar that some other models produce. The sound level is acceptable for its size, though you may still notice it in quieter rooms. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons. On the plus side, this vacuum offers fantastic portability, great suction power for its size, and the ability to tackle multiple surfaces with ease. The 3-speed control is a useful feature, and the LED battery indicator is a simple yet essential addition that helps avoid surprises. Its lightweight design is a major bonus, making it ideal for anyone who struggles with the heft of traditional vacuums. On the flip side, the small dustbin can be a bit of a drawback if you have a lot of cleaning to do in one session. While it's not a deal breaker, especially for spot cleaning, it does mean more frequent emptying. Another potential issue is the fact that the battery is sold separately. While Makita's LXT battery system is widely compatible, it's still an added cost if you don't already own one. Also, while the suction power is adequate, it may not be ideal for deeply embedded dirt, especially in high-pile carpets. When it comes to value for money, the Makita XLC07Z sits in a mid-range price category, especially when you factor in the need to purchase a battery separately. But when you look at the overall performance, especially for lighter tasks and quick cleanups, it's certainly competitive. There are other options out there, including some from Black Decker, that might be priced similarly, but without the same powerful motor or battery efficiency. If you already own a Makita LXT battery from another tool, this vacuum will feel like a solid investment. However, if you're new to the system, you'll need to account for the extra cost of the battery, which may push the price point up for a more casual user. Comparing it to similar handheld vacuums, you'll find models like the Black Decker Dust Buster or the Shark cordless handheld vacuum. These are often less expensive up front, but they may not offer the same motor power or battery efficiency as the Makita. The Shark vacuum might be more suitable for those looking for more extensive cleaning with a larger dustbin, while the Black Decker option tends to be more lightweight, but not as powerful. In terms of build quality, the Makita XLC07Z feels solid, with sturdy plastic construction that feels like it can take some wear and tear. The parts snap together easily, and there are no flimsy joints or connectors that feel like they'll break after a few uses. Maintenance is fairly straightforward, with the most involved task being emptying the dustbin and occasionally cleaning the filter. It's relatively low maintenance overall. As for longevity, it's hard to judge long-term reliability at this stage since this is a newer model. But given Makita's reputation for durable power tools, it's reasonable to expect this vacuum to hold up well over time, as long as it's properly maintained. As for customer support, if you're already familiar with Makita's service, you'll know that their customer service is generally responsive and helpful. In the event that you need a replacement part or experience an issue, their warranty and support team should be reliable. For those of you wondering about updates or smart features, this vacuum is pretty straightforward. It doesn't come with any smart tech or app integration. It's all about performance, portability, and simplicity, which is exactly what it delivers. So to wrap things up, the Makita XLC07Z is a solid option for anyone looking for a lightweight, portable vacuum that's easy to handle and performs well on multiple surfaces. It's particularly great for quick cleanups and smaller spaces. And if you already use Makita tools, you'll appreciate the battery compatibility. While it's not the best choice for deep carpet cleaning or heavy-duty tasks, it excels in ease of use and convenience. If you're on the lookout for something that's both powerful and lightweight, this could very well be the vacuum you need. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on future reviews. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop any questions or experiences you've had with this vacuum in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye until next time, keep it clean.